90-second recipe, go. We're doing my wife's favorite, clam and cod tom kha. First, you want to soak your clams in salt water. That makes them spit out any dirt that they might still have in them. Next, you want to chop up some onion, some celery, and then slice some mushroom. I like the sliced texture a little bit better than the diced. If you want diced, go for it. Just make sure you wash them. They grow in poop. Afterwards, you want to skin your ginger. Use a spoon. Don't use a peeler. You'll thank me later. You'll save a lot more ginger that way. Finally, dice that up. Set that aside. Then we're going to go on to cilantro. Remove those stems. That's where all the flavor is. Make sure you dice that really fine. We're going to add that to the soup. Next, chop your ginger leaf. That's that good stuff. Garnish for later. Heat up some oil. Add our onion, celery, mushroom mixture. Salt that. Get it sweating. Look for that fond on the bottom there. That's the texture you're looking for. Next, you want to add chicken stock, or not chicken stock, vegetable stock, whatever, just stock of some sort. And your cilantro and your ginger. Stir that up. Bring that to a boil, add some lime. Yeah, oh, careful. Hot. Oh, yeah, there we go. Add some lime. I did a full lime. You can do more if you want. Next, some tom kha paste. I got this at an Asian market. Coconut milk. That's my favorite brand. Get that brand. Bring it back to a boil. Hopefully you wash those clams really well because this is where we're going to add them. Add the cod. Stir it up real fine. Simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure all those clams opened up. Remove them with a pair of tongs. Be careful, they're going to be hot. Remove that meat. Go ahead and add that meat back. Serve over rice with cilantro and lime. Enjoy.